Are you struggling to get results from your social media efforts? Or maybe you're overwhelmed trying to figure out where to even start. What if I told you that with the right strategy, you could turn your social media into a lead generating machine? In today's video, I'm breaking down a simple yet effective social media strategy tailored for small businesses. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Original Ginger channel. If this is your first time here, we share practical digital marketing tips to help small businesses grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today's topic is social media strategy for small businesses. We'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing the right platforms to creating engaging content and tracking results. Whether you're a one-person operation or have a small team, this video will give you the tools to succeed. Let's get started. Before you dive into posting, it's crucial to know why you're on social media in the first place. Your goals will shape everything you do. Are you trying to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Or perhaps you want to engage with your local community. Write down 1 to 2 main objectives and make sure they're SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want more followers," say, "I want to grow my Instagram following by 20% in the next 3 months." Pro tip: having clear goals helps you stay focused and measure your success effectively. You don't need to be on every social media platform. Instead, focus on where your target audience spends their time. Here's a quick breakdown. Facebook is great for reaching local communities and older demographics. Instagram is ideal for showcasing visuals, products, behind-the-scenes content, and a day in a working life at your company. LinkedIn is best for B2B businesses and networking. TikTok is perfect for targeting younger audiences with creative short-form videos. Twitter is useful for news, updates, and engaging in conversation about latest news. Pinterest is a visual social platform that's excellent for DIY, food, and lifestyle businesses. And YouTube is one of the best platforms for small businesses with a massive reach of over 2 billion users. If you're just starting, pick 1 to 2 platforms that align with your business goals and audience. Social media success starts with knowing who you're talking to. Ask yourself, who are your customers? What problems are they trying to solve? What type of content do they enjoy? Use tools like Facebook Insights, Google Analytics, or even polls and surveys to gather information about your audience. The more you know, the better you can tailor your content to their interests. Pro tip: create a customer persona, a fictional profile of your ideal customer to guide your content creation. Now that you know your audience and goals, it's time to create content that resonates. Here are a few types of content small businesses can use. Educational content. Teach your audience something valuable like tips, how-tos, or industry insights. Behind the scenes, showcase your process, team, or a day in the life of your business. User-generated content. Share posts from happy customers using your products or services. Promotions and offers. Highlight discounts, new arrivals, exclusive deals, or promote live and online events. Entertaining content. Memes, relatable posts, or lighthearted videos can boost engagement with your audience. Always include a call to action, CTA, in your posts, like visit our website, comment below, or tag a friend. Pro tip: consistency is key. Create a content calendar to stay organized and plan posts in advance. Be sure to check out the link in the description for our video on how to create a content calendar. Video is dominating social media right now, so don't ignore it. Short-form videos like Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts are especially powerful for boosting engagement. You don't need a big production budget. just a smartphone and a clear message. For example, you can showcase a product demo, answer frequently asked questions, share quick tips, strategies, or hacks. Keep videos short, engaging, and visually appealing. Social media isn't just about posting, it's about building relationships. Make time to reply to comments and messages, like and share user-generated content, join conversations in your niche. The more you engage, the more trust you'll build with your audience. Finally, you can't improve what you don't measure. Use the analytics tools built into platforms like Instagram Insights, Facebook Page Analytics, YouTube Analytics, or Google Analytics to track engagement, likes, shares, and comments, reach and impressions, click-through rates, and conversions. Check these metrics regularly to see what's working and adjust your strategy as needed. And there you have it, a complete social media strategy for small businesses. Remember to set clear goals, focus on the right platforms, and create content that speaks directly to your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to grow your business online. And let me know in the comments, which platform are you focusing on for your business? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.